Hello, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Defy. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter display, extend the list, and right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where you can change display brightness level, enable or disable dark theme, night light, and change its intensity, and also schedule night light. Then we can enable or disable adaptive brightness, change styles of our phone, change wallpaper, manage full screen for apps, enable or disable peak display, see interactive notifications and quick information while your screen is off, change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, enable or disable auto rotate screen, change color mode between natural, boosted and saturated, change font size, display size, set screensaver, enable or disable attentive display, three-finger screenshot, swipe to split, manage screen recording function. For example, you can change view finder size and resolution. And in the end, you can manage lock screen for notifications that are shown on the lock screen, between show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, and don't show notifications at all, enable or disable skip lock screen, add text on lock screen, show lockdown option, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.